Today we're taking a look at an equipment trailer by HT Trailers, which this is a 20-foot long, 83 inches between the fenders. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you guys think. Coming from the front, we got the adjustable coupler with a 10K spring-loaded jack. We got a 6-inch channel wrap tongue on this one, and then a 6-inch channel main frame on this one. We got cross members at every 16 inches apart. And then we also got the rub rail stay pockets just for tie down points. We got the regular fenders on this one. We got 8K axles on this one, and then 14 ply tires. So 8K slipper spring suspension on this one right here. Coming to the back here, we got the 2-foot dovetail, steel floor dovetail, and the rest of it is going to be treated pine floor on it, and then 5-foot stand-up ramps which hold this flat right here, and they are spring assist, so really easy to operate. All you do is take that off. Right there is the spring, so super easy to load equipment on here, and they're really easy to lift as well. Like I said, spring loaded, and they are 24 inches wide, so most equipment can fit on here really well. Now the GVWR on this trailer is 16,000, and it has a payload of 12,750. So we got some serious payload on this one. Great for your skid steers, mini X's, and stuff like that. All kinds of equipment that you can load onto these trailers. And these have a great price point with the 8K axles and everything on it. These are going to be priced at $5,900 plus tax, title, and license. So if you're looking for a equipment hauler, give us a call at 430-340-0307, and we'll get you taken care of.